Hello, what is up everyone? RL57 back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the Land Rover Defender 90 monster trucks made by Hot Wheels. So yeah, if you're wondering, this is the first time I am doing a Hot Wheels monster truck video. So yeah, basically this is gonna be an interesting one, so yeah, stay tuned. So yeah, Crash Legends number 1 out of 5. So yeah, basically here's the card and all. So on the top right you can see that the car is like zooming in into I don't know what. And then Hot Wheels monster trucks on the other side. You have this quite big blister right here, square shaped blister. This is more like the latest blister. And then yeah, you can see the car right here. You have massive wheels, the car itself, and then you get this sort of like crushable car, which I'll show you in a bit. Then Land Rover Defender 90 as it says there. Moving on to the back, yeah, here is the information of the car. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. Let me just show you here. Yeah, so the name is the Land Rover Defender 90, and then the truck type is SUV, Off-Road Legend, and rugged Rampage. So yeah, here's basically the rest of the monster trucks. So out of all of this, I think obviously the Defender 90 wins it. All of the other cars are more to like fantasies, so yeah, overall seems pretty good. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this one up. So I am quite curious. So first of all, we'll get the Crushable car, which is quite a familiar casting to me. Got the truck out of the way. So you know what, let's move it and let's go ahead and put it on this turntable right here. So yeah, massive boy right here. So here we have the monster truck, basically the Land Rover Defender 90, and it's quite huge as well, as you can see. It does fit on my turntable, but the width of the car, the monster truck, basically is like two cars combined, two normal mainline cars. So as you can see, well, basically the size of the wheels are quite huge as well. Not gonna lie, it's like I don't know, it's the size of a Fiat 500, I guess, like the 164 version, but like it's quite big as well. So like obviously you get 4 wheels. All of them are more like rubber tires, basically some thick rubber tires. So as you can see, yeah, for the rims you get like this white lining right there, as you can see. And then for the rims you can actually see that it says Hot Wheels right there, which is quite cool. So yeah, let's take a look at the cars. The monster truck here. So yeah, quite big as well. Like let me try to show it on my hand. So yeah, it's quite huge as well, as you can see. Couldn't properly put it basically, but still it's fine. So yeah, you have the massive wheels, which actually says Hot Wheels right there, and that embossed Hot Wheels logo on the rubber tire right there. So the tire does do this type of movement. So it's basically acting like something like a suspension, as you can see. So yeah, basically the car can corner around anywhere you want, which is quite cool for like turning and all that. You don't get this on a normal mainline Hot Wheels, like the 164 scale like Hot Wheels car. You only get it on the monster trucks. So yeah, pretty cool as well. So looking by the side here, as you can see, you have this like highlighter green type of color right here as a stripe, and then you have some other black stripes right there at the side. And then it says Hot Wheels, Land Rover, and monster truck. It says Land Rover, it says 90 right here, and it says Defender right at the bottom of that door right there. You still have this highlighter green and also the black at the side. And then you have this I don't know, it's like plastic wheel arches, I guess. Yeah, it's like extended right there, as you can see. It is plastic, by the way. It's yeah, that plastic type of stuff. And then you have like the door step right here. I'm not sure if you can see it right there. Yeah, you have this huge chassis, which is not Not gonna lie, pretty cool, chrome. Moving on to the front, you have the circle headlights right there, obviously. Rectangular front grille. And you have this massive front bumper right here, which I believe there is a tow hook at the front, I think so. Here's the hood. The hood's quite simplistic. You can see 90 right there, the fender. Honestly, looks pretty cool. The roof is white. Then you have this sort of like the, I don't know, you call it rally lights, I guess, sort of something like that. And then you have the roof rack on the top. It's basically similar to the wheel arch. It's using the same plastic material in black right here. You can see there's a shovel and some chains, I guess, in the roof rack, which is pretty cool. Moving on to the back, you even have some extra rear details right here. Rear lights, and then you have a Land Rover right there, monster trucks. Still have the highlighter green stripe right there. Some other stripes. You have the rear window right here, which is plastic, by the way. But yeah, overall, it seems pretty cool. Like, although this is a monster truck and it costs like, I don't know, double, triple to the price of one Hot Wheels car, it still feels pretty nice and overall highly detailed. Like, you have a metal body, you have a plastic sort of like chassis, and then you have these thick rubber wheels, which yeah, are good quality, not gonna lie. Overall, when it comes to Hot Wheels, they have quite good quality, but sometimes they just are lazy to do like extra detail to like the car or casting they did. Yeah, something like that. And then yeah, I believe you could kind of see the engine right there at the back. Yeah, you have the pop-up engine. It's like the extended part right there, the exhaust, I think. Yeah, so yeah, chrome base. It says Hot Wheels right here. If you want to know where's this from, yeah, this is from Thailand, but I'm not sure if you can read it. Oh, it's on the other side, sorry. Yeah, here it is. It basically says made in Thailand right there, which is quite interesting, not gonna lie. So that's like the monster truck. Let me put it back on the turntable. So I want to talk about this sort of crushable car that I did mention early in the video. So what is this crushable car? Crushable car is this, basically. You get this sort of like plastic car, which the purpose of it is basically like meant for you like crashing on it. I don't know. Put your wheels on top of the crushable car, I guess. I have no clue. But well, let me just show you. So this crushable car basically is a plastic version of the crushable car. So this is based on the model of Time Attack. See, you might remember that fantasy casting. But as you can see, it's fully plastic, and you have these like, I don't know, like notches. I don't know. It's like something for you to stick on. So it's basically like you can attach other crushable cars onto this one. So you could like, I don't know, make a chain of crushable cars. I have no clue. Maybe like you want to do a shape out of it. I don't know. Maybe you have to stack them up top, I guess, something like that. But yeah, it's sort of something like a crushed version of the Time Attacks, as you can see right here, which is pretty cool. They come in many shapes and many variations and many colors actually. So yeah, they are pretty cool as well. It's just like a side thing that you get from the monster truck. But basically, people normally focus more on the monster truck itself instead of the crushable car, which is good actually. So yeah, there you go. That is my first review of the monster truck series of the Land Rover Defender 90. Overall, it's such a great car to have. I mean, a monster truck. I would preferably collect more to like the licensed monster trucks. It would be better to collect that way because yeah, one preferably crushable, monster trucks are more to, you know, that sort of fantasy type of vibe, but sometimes Mattel like to do some interesting and like non-fantasy type of cars, like for example this one, and then you have the Jeeps, Jeep Wrangler and whatnot. I don't remember the rest, but overall this seems quite okay. Like you get a Land Rover and you get a crushable car, and you get the awesome card as well, but overall for the price it seems pretty good, not gonna lie. And yeah, there you go, that's my review of the Land Rover Defender 90 Monster Truck series. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon, bye bye.